Personality and values. Leadership from an introverted perspective, presented by Jacob Ebert. Am I more of an introverted or extroverted leader? Looking at my personality traits, I am more of an introverted leader. Very shy, hardly make friends, but when I do, I put all my energy into it. I am not fond of social gatherings. I'm bored when invited. Love to spend time alone and have fun. I'm self-oriented. With that said, these traits are not exciting when you are in a leadership role. What can I do to leverage my personality to be a more effective leader? Introverts actually have a lot of instincts and personality traits that could lead to excellent leadership skills. There are some personality traits that I can use to maximum advantage or leverage to be a more effective leader. They are as follows. 1. Listening. To carefully consider every viewpoint from my team members. 2. Write down ideas. Would give me a straightforward way to organize my thoughts instead of getting overwhelmed by too many ideas or forgetting the essentials. 3. Let my team know what to expect. This way I won't have much to say. No matter the personality trait of a leader, the end game is results. 4. Prepare for meetings. I will write down what is to be communicated. Write down some thoughts. Prepare an agenda just so I have a way to stay on track. 5. Communicate one-on-one. I would prefer to communicate with team members in a one-on-one setting. 6. Spend time thinking. When it comes to making important decisions for the business, as an introvert, I would spend some time alone and think through decisions and consider for a while before actually executing a plan or making a change. Under what conditions do I think extroverts make more effective leaders than introverts? Research supports the idea that extroverts have more advantages in leadership than introverts, which directly translates as extroverts make more effective leaders than introverts. There are some conditions that extroverts make more effective leaders than introverts, such as 1. When it comes to public speaking, extroverts are confident. 2. Have more relationships, generating better results than introverted leaders. 3. The edge in motivating and marketing where social skills are needed. 4. Making new business deals and meeting new people. In all of the above mentioned, an extrovert will make a far more effective leader than an introvert. What unique ability do I have as an introvert that could make me a more effective leader in some situation? There are some situations that as an introvert will make a more effective leader than an extrovert. According to the case study, introverts tend to show more empathy than extroverts. Introverts possess unique traits that can make them highly effective leaders. They are deep thinkers, collaborative, compassionate, creative, strategic, analytic, and have the ability to stay calm in crisis. These are all strengths in my introversion. There is plenty of evidence that suggests both personality types can be excellent leaders. Extroverts may excel at motivating certain type of employees, but introverts often have superior planning skills. I am more likely to listen to the process and implement the ideas of my team members. In summary, both leadership styles can benefit from a hybrid approach. Some problems introverts might have in leadership situations, just to name a few. They dislike big crowd setting. The case study shows that introverts may become uncomfortable when speaking in front of a large crowd. They are difficult to read, which leaves employees often uncertain and uncomfortable. These problems can impede a leader from being effective. The techniques I would employ to help me overcome these issues will be: 1. Always make sure to team up with extroverted colleagues when I am in front of a large crowd. 2. Try to shift my focus to tasks that I can perform efficiently with the skills I already have. 3. I won't hesitate to assign to people with personality types that are more suitable for tasks that I can handle. 4. Develop strategies to overcome the most difficult tasks and learn skills I do not possess. The developmental experiences that I think would be especially valuable to me as an introverted leader will be: 1. Consider taking a public speaking course, since public speaking is the #1 area in which most introverted leaders face. 2. Look for materials that would help, like the Myers-Briggs documentary. 3. Practice the skills I have learned, because without experimenting and making my own mistakes, I will never improve my skills to make me more effective in a leadership. Conclusion: the desire of any leader is that goals are met. No matter the personality traits and characteristics, introvert or extrovert, you can even be an equal mix, which is an ambivert. Naturally, introverts' tendency may and may not impede your growth in the business sphere or leadership role.